So to remove the base cushion, there are little levers that you have to pull. Now, you'll not be able to see them until I actually get the seat out. So you have these little black levers that you just have to pull and lift the seat up at the same time, and that will release the seat base cushion. And then the back seat is held in to the car. You've got Allen key bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll remove this little cover here because there's probably the bolt is behind there. So the front one is 8mm. The rear one I think is a 10. That just pulls off. It just goes onto the framework at the back here. So I just need to unplug these two plugs here. So that's how to remove the single seat. The double seat is exactly the same. Release the base cushion, lift it off, unbolt everything, unplug everything and take it out.